Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So I thought I'd film something slightly different. Now this video's still got my makeup, my hair and my clothing and outfit in it, and it's still a get ready with me, but I've never filmed a get ready with me for a blogger event before. So I thought I'd do one because tonight I'm going to the Blogosphere Awards, and yeah, I've been shortlisted for Best Beauty Influencer, which is amazing. So thank you so much to whoever voted for me. We shall see if I win tonight. I'm up against some amazing people, so probably not, but I'm still going to go along and catch up with some friends and have a good time. So yeah, wanted to film a get ready with me. So I've done this purple spotlight eye look, and I've got this amazing lime green suit on, which you'll see at the end of the video, and a lilac lace body, which you'll also see at the end of the video. So I've kind of gone for like a lime and lilac look. I love that colour combination. And yeah, I've filmed everything from my makeup, from foundation, all the way to lipstick, and then I've shown you my hair, and then I've shown you my outfit and me getting dressed. So a proper full-on get ready with me. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like it whilst watching it, and if you've not subscribed already, I would love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, with my makeup for my blogger event tonight, I'm gonna go for a purpley kind of spotlight eye, maybe a little bit of gold. And yeah, obviously I'm barefaced now, so I'm going to be doing everything from my foundation all the way to my lipstick. So let's get going. To start with, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I always love to give my face a bit of a mist with this when I start my makeup off. Oh yeah, I just really like it. Then I'm going to be taking the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is my favourite moisturiser. I just feel like it really hydrates my skin, and my makeup goes on really well after applying this. So yeah, I highly recommend this. As you can see, we love it so much. I've literally got none left. I need to get some more. Robin uses it as well, and he suffers with really bad dry skin like here, and it's literally cured it. Like, his skin is not really dry at all anymore. So yeah, highly recommend this. And when I apply it, I pop it on all over my face. We go everywhere with this, going down to my neck and on my eyes. And yeah, I just love it. I feel like it really kind of gives me a nice base to put my makeup on with. So I'm going to go in with my foundation first. I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I want this to last all day, and it literally does. It gives you an amazing coverage, and I'm using shade 100 Linen. So I'm applying this with a really big sponge. I would love to put it on my sponge and then on the lid, just so I can like kind of just get the right amount that I need, and then I just go in all over my face. And yeah, this has just got amazing coverage. So good. And it'll just last all day. So as you can see, I've applied the foundation all over my face. I even do my eyelids. I just want to start with a really nice, even skin tone base. So next up is concealer, and I love to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So I pop this on my chin, because I've got a couple of like scars on there, around my nose, under my eyes, and then down the centre of my nose. And that is where I pop my concealer, and then I blend in with my sponge. Hey, I don't get what this is about. Like so. I love this concealer. I use shade Swan, and I just love it because it gives me a proper good coverage. And yeah, I mean, it's just so good, and it lasts all day long, which is what you want from a concealer. I am fussy with the underneath of my eyes though, so I always then go over again just kind of these lines here that I've got, and like the redness I like to cover up. So I just go in with my finger and I just keep applying it basically until I'm happy with how the underneath of my eye looks. Got my head spinning on my shoulder. So once I'm happy with my concealer, I then set it with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Magic Loose Powder. This is a translucent loose setting powder, and I really, really love this one. Don't be afraid that it's blue. It doesn't come out like that. But honestly, this is my favourite setting powder for underneath my eyes because it's super light and I feel like it doesn't go in all my creases and it just looks amazing afterwards. So I just pop this underneath my eyes like so. And then I sort of just leave it to set. Then I like to do a little bit of contouring to my nose, so I take the L'Oreal Paris Infallible More Than Concealer and I use shade 335 in Caramel, and I literally just put little dots kind of where I want the contour, and then I take a brush and I just blend that into my nose until I'm happy with how it looks. Feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur. And then I grab my sponge just to blend it out a bit more because I don't want it to be too in your face. And all of my doubts, I can feel them. And now I normally grab my MAC Studio Fix powder. However, I've tried the new Kat Von D one and it's so good. So I'm using shade Light 130. So this is called the Lock-It Powder Foundation. To use a big fluffy brush and I kind of just dab it all over my face until it's all blended, and I do it under my eyes as well and my nose. Yeah, and I feel like it gives me such a nice coverage, and I've tried this out a couple times and it does last all day, just like the MAC Studio Fix powder one. So yeah. Then to brighten up the underneath of my eyes even more, so I don't get this kind of line, I take the Huda Beauty baking and setting powder. I've got Sugar Cookie, and I pop this under my eyes. I literally take the tiniest bit, but honestly it brightens up the underneath of my eyes so much and it lasts all day, and I feel like I don't get any sort of lines or my redness showing through or anything like that. So this is kind of like my little routine that I do every day. So as you can see, I literally just focus it in on that area that has got the line. I know this can't be real. So yeah, that is my base all done now. Well, I say all done, but I still need to contour. So I take the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and we're going to contour my cheekbones. I'm going to go over my nose and just do the top of my head here and just around my jaw. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high, 'cause I can't. So now we're on to my highlight. So I'm going to be using this Morphe palette for my eyes and my cheeks, and this is the 39S Such a Gem palette. It is amazing. Look at this. This is the first time I'm using it in this video. So I'm going to be taking this gold here for my highlight. But before I apply it, I'm going to apply a little bit of a base on my highlight so it really sticks. And for this, I'm going to be using the NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. It's amazing. So I just take a little bit on my finger and I put it just on my cheekbone. Then when I add the powder, it just makes it pop. Believe that I get to have you close on an endless road. I'm levitating now. One of the hello. Oh my god, how amazing does that look? So glittery. One of those lucid dreams. One of those loose. So now we're moving on to my eye makeup, and I'm going to be using a selection of these kind of lilac-y shades here because I've got lilac within my outfit. So I'm probably going to start with something quite deep like this one here on the inner bit, outer bit and around the top. I'm going to do a spotlight eye, by the way. And then I'm going to go for like this one kind of on the outer and then gold in the middle. So let's get going. Dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I eyes, and now I'm going to grab my Born This Way concealer and just do 2 little dots in the centre of my eye. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it. And you know what, I think I've changed my mind. I'm going to go for like a sparkly pink on the inner bit here on the spotlight. So I'm going to take like this one, maybe this one, mix them together.
Oh, you like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. Oh.
And there we have it. That is my spotlight eye. And I think I might add a flick and lashes. So adding a flick, I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's great that it's waterproof because it will just last all day long, and honestly it's so easy to use.
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an empty street.
There we go, both of them are done. So as you can see, I started from the inner part of my eye, and then I kind of just try and draw as thin as I can, going all the way across. Then I focus on my flick, and then I kind of work back over the line just to make it neater. And yeah, got my flicks done. Now lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to be trying out the new Eyeliner Jordan Woods LA Baby lashes. They look really cool, and I love these ones because they're actually really thin lashes on the bit that glues on, just because I find they just look a bit more realistic and they're just a bit lighter. So yes, I'm going to try these out. So I always measure them out before I put glue on, because I might need to make them a little bit shorter. Yeah, I just need to cut the end off, I think. And before I stick them on, I like to kind of do this with the lashes. I find it kind of shapes to my eye a bit better. So my lashes are all applied, and I'm just going to wait for them to dry before popping on some mascara, just to kind of make them boom. So for my mascara, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this one, and yeah, I just put mascara on after I do lashes just to blend my own lashes into the false ones, and then I will pop a little bit on underneath as well.
I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze.
Like so. My eyes are looking so beautiful. Cool, and then I'm just going to add a white liner just inside my eye. And I'm going to be taking the MAC Kajal pencil in white to do that.
I don't know where we're going, but
I just feel like it adds something else to the look and makes it look really cool and makes my eyes pop. Now it's time for brows, and I love kind of creating a bit of a bushy brow look at the moment. And I use the Lime Crime Bushy Brow Felt Tip Pen, which is this. It is amazing. It's so good. And when I do my brows, I kind of just focus on drawing loads and loads of hairlines, basically, to kind of create like a bushy brow effect.
clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling high, like I'm lucid dreaming, like I'm flying.
So there is one brow done, and as you can see the strokes. It kind of just makes it look a bit, well, it's a bit cartoony, I guess, but I just love how my brows kind of shape my face. Like I much prefer this side. I feel like it just finishes my makeup off.
'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an empty street.
So once I'm happy with my brows, I then take the Urban Decay Brow Endowed Primer on this end, and I apply that.
Oh, yeah.
I find that that's the only thing that actually pushes up my brows and holds them in place, the primer. And then I take the other end, which is the colour, and I kind of just gently go over my brows. And then to neaten up the underneath of my brows, I take my concealer again and I just apply a little bit on the arch. And I feel like by doing that, it really makes my eye makeup pop even more. Then I'm going to grab my Morphe palette again and take this really nice shade here and pop that over the top of where I just put the concealer. This will make my eye pop even more. And then I'm just going to add that same shade on the inner corners of my eye to make my eye pop even more. I love a little inner highlight. It's my fave.
I don't get what this is about. You.
Now, because my outfit is quite out there and very vibrant, I thought I would stick to a nude lip. So I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Joyride.
Got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burning.
And there we have it. All done. Just need to add in my little beauty spots. And then I'm ready to do my hair and get dressed. All done. What do you guys think of my makeup? I'm loving it. I think it looks pretty cute. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair. I think I'm gonna just keep it in this bob and kind of put it behind my ears and wear some like big earrings or something. And then I'm gonna get dressed. But yeah, let's get on to my hair now. So I know my hair looks pretty much straight already, but I kind of don't like it just kind of like being quite blunt on the ends. I like to just kind of curl it under a little bit. So I'm going to section it, straighten it, and then apply some product into the front here because I've got these like annoying little bits that I want to kind of stay sleek and back all day.
Out of my chest, see the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional.
Cool, so that is my hair ready for tonight. Just need to get changed and pop on my accessories, so let's get going.
Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah.
So that's it guys, I'm all ready for the Blogosphere Awards. I'm about to leave to head to London. I'm so excited and yeah, let's get going. I've popped links below to everything featured in this video so you can recreate the makeup or recreate the outfit. Yeah, so don't forget to check out the links below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Like this video, comment below, love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this more chatty version of a get ready with me. I tried to chat as much as I could, but then the video was getting so long. So some of it's music, some of it's chatty. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.